Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's been a while and it's good to be back again. So today I'll be doing an unboxing of a PR package I got from Born Pretty. I got this like 2 weeks ago, and I decided to just kind of show you guys what I got in the package. I was sent list of items to pick from, and I picked just genuine nude colors. I was told to pick from the Jenny Nude collections, and I don't know, I love working with their Jenny Nude. It looks so natural, especially for they have colors for black folks, people of color, and that's why I like buying their Jenny Nude colors. So I picked 5 colors in total, and I'll be showing you guys these beautiful colors. I love all the colors. I think I've used their Jenny Nude color 3 before. I loved it. I think I've gotten it twice, and so I decided to pick it again because my friends and family members love those colors. I love it on my natural nails as well. If you're coming across my YouTube channel for the first time, my name is Ademido Abimbola. I'm a new YouTuber or a new YouTuber and a new content creator currently based in Canada. All I do on this channel are new tutorials, product reviews, and a little bit of vlogging. If you like what you see on this channel, kindly click on the subscribe button below and turn on the notification bell so you get notified anytime I upload a new video. Like I said before, I love these colors because they go well on dark skin tones and on any person of color. So if you like any of these colors, I'll be showing you. I'm going to be leaving the link to the products in the description box, so you can click on the link and it's going to take you directly to the Born Pretty website. I'm also going to be leaving my coupon code, which is Glitterspolish. You can use that at checkout so you can get some discount off any item you purchase from the Born Pretty website. I'm going to be swatching these colors on nail tip so you guys can see what this actually looks like. I will also be leaving the speed of the video to the original speed, which is 1.0, so you can see how smooth it is to use this gel polish. You can see the coverage as well. This is the first coat for this one. If you're going for a very nude look, I think for this one a coat is enough. And I think for all the jelly nudes I'm going to be showing today, if you're going for a very nude look, the first coat is just enough. But if you want a more obvious look, like you want some people to say that you have something on, you can actually go for 2 coats of the Jelly Nude gel polish. I'm not going to be talking all through this video. I'd like you to watch this till the end and let me know your thoughts about this gel polish from Born Pretty. I've used them, like I said before. I love the colors. They're amazing. They last very long. They shine very long. For a very long time. This is just the gel polish without the top coat. You can imagine what it looks like when you had the top coat. I'll talk to you again in my next video, guys. Till then, stay blessed. Bye.
Mystic Empire.
I like the way I'm feeling now. No, come use your reggae for my blues and rhythm now. I like the way I'm feeling now. I might get something when it stress me, but right now I'm chilling now. Hey, you see this life, working very hard to get the best life, living every day like it's the last thing, you know it. Following my dreams on a whim to the fullest. They say you can't do this, no, it's impossible, yes, you quit. But with God by my side, I can do all things. I've got joy unspeakable, faith unshakable, peace untouchable, fire of the Holy Ghost. You can spoil the way that I'm feeling now. I like the way I'm feeling now. No, come use your reggae, spoil my blues and rhythm now. I like the way I'm feeling now. I might get something when it stress me, but right now I'm chilling now. I like the the way I'm feeling now. No, come use your reggae for my blues and rhythm now. Oh, I like the way I'm feeling now. Oh my, you get something where they stress me, but right now I'm chilling, hey, I'm too blessed to be stressed. I got love, enough friends, big family, and living happily with God on my neck. Enough joy, we got strength. I feel good, I feel blessed. A big life, someone's wife, and the blood of Christ, yeah. Feeling like $1,000,000. Friday night, let's have some fun. Call your friends and sort it out. This life is one, so we toast to the good life. Every minute's the full, cause I pull up open doors, then it's suicide. 16 bad whoop and they all by the poolside. I like the way I'm feeling now. No, come use your reggae for my blues and rhythm now. Oh, I like the way I'm feeling now. I might get something where they stress me, but right now, hey, I like the way I'm feeling now. No, come use your reggae for my blues and rhythm now. No. I like the way I'm feeling now. I might get something where they stress me, but right now I'm chilling, too blessed to be stressed. I got love, enough friends, big family, living happily with God on my neck. Enough joy, enough strength, feel good and feel blessed. Big life, someone's wife, and the blood of Christ.
Mystic Empire.
I'm feeling good. No, come use your reggae. It's for my blues, yeah.
Mystic